Hi, beautiful friends. I hope you're okay and happy new year to all of you. So, today we're making some barbecue wings. I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I make it. So, here I've got my wings washed properly and patted dry, and I'm just adding my seasonings to it. So I have added onion powder, ginger powder, and my suya spice. If you haven't watched the video yet, I definitely recommend you do so. Some aromat, and I'll be adding my pepper. I want it very spicy, and salt. Just the normal things you have at home. You can add your favorite seasoning to it, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to mix that together to make sure it's well combined and incorporated. Then I'm going to pop that on my grilling pan and bake for about 50 minutes on 350 degrees C. I will be flipping halfway through to make sure the other end cook evenly as well. And now I'm just getting on with my sauce, and I'm making this completely my way. And please don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel. And as you can see, I've added my pepper, my garlic minced, and some honey, and of course some vinegar. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'll also be adding 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and some soy sauce. So you can go ahead and add some olive oil or your favorite oil to this, but I'm just adding this sauce that I got from the chicken that I am already baking or roasting, and I'm mixing that together to make sure it's well combined. You're welcome to definitely switch the ingredients around and use whatever you prefer or what works best for you. So I have achieved what I am looking for. Now I am just going to coat my chicken one by one. You can obviously just pour that over the chicken and toast it, but this is how I prefer doing it. Once it's all well coated, I am going to put it back into the oven just to get it a little bit dry. Again, this is how I like it. So if you don't want that, then you can just coat your chicken as you prefer and go ahead and munch on them with whatever main course or side or whatever you want to have with them. So this is the end result of my barbecue chicken, and I can guarantee that this is so delicious and you definitely must try it. I have garnished that with my favorite linseed, and you can use sesame seed, up to you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye for now. See you in the next video.